Charmers, Johnny here, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways on how to use your cream blushes that you could be getting this month in your box, and how and where and how much to apply them on your face. If you want to see how I did this look and the 3 ways to use them, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start using my Jekka Black Play Pot in the shade Red Touch. So this is the first product that we're going to be applying, and the first place where we're going to put it is in our cheeks. Let's do this. So with a dense brush, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. And cream blushes, I feel like they're perfect for the summer. If you wanna do just like a light application, I would recommend to put it like this with your creams and everything else on your face is still wet before you apply any powders. So then it will be just easier to blend. And then you start applying whatever you want this. I love to bring my blush all the way up to my eye area. So then with circular motions, I'm just gonna blend this all the way up. So the second way that you can use a cream blush is actually using it as the base for eyeshadows. I'm gonna be using the shade Pink Pearl from the Jekka Black paint pots, and I'm gonna use this with a small tiny pencil brush as an eyeshadow base. So because this is a cream product, I really love to just like apply it all over my lid and diffuse it all the way to my brow. As you can see, it blended out super easy, and it gave me a really good sticky base that then I can go in and apply a stronger shadow if I wanted to. Okay, Charmers, so as you can see, I already finished my look, and the only thing that I'm missing is my lips. So I'm gonna be using my cream blush, which I think it's gonna be a perfect hydration and also shimmery kind of moment to do that. So I'm gonna be taking the same pencil brush that I had before, and I'm just gonna line my lips. And as you can see, oh my god, this is like super easy to blend, which is something that I love, and also super shimmery. And that's it, Charmers. I showed you 3 different ways on how to apply your cream blush, and I hope that you learned some tips and tricks from this video. Let me know in the comments down below which is your favorite spot that you're gonna be applying your blush on, and which of these colors are you excited to try out. I'm honestly excited for y'all to test them out because they're super pigmented, super easy to blend, and amazing products. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one, Charmers. Bye!